Building your dream home in the Philippines. Let's talk about what goes on tap. Your roof? This is a huge decision, so let's break down the two most popular choices. Classic roof tiles versus practical GI sheets. Which one is right for you? First up, elegant roof tiles. The biggest win here is durability. Clay or concrete tiles can last 50 years or even longer with very little maintenance. Plus, they are amazing insulators. On a hot day, tiles keep your home noticeably cooler because they don't absorb heat as quickly as metal. They also give your house that premium, classic look, think Spanish or Mediterranean vibes. And during a downpour, you'll barely hear a thing. They're also fire resistant and will never rust. But there are downsides. Tiles are heavy, really heavy. This means your roof's foundation and framing need to be extra strong, which adds to the construction cost. The tiles themselves are more expensive per square meter, and installation takes more time and skill. They can also be fragile. A falling branch or a misplaced step could cause a crack. And in a strong typhoon, if not installed perfectly, tiles can be lifted by the wind. Now, let's switch to GI sheets, or metal roofing. Their main advantage is cost. They are significantly cheaper in terms of both materials and labor. They're also incredibly lightweight, which puts less stress on your home's structure and makes them faster to install. Today's metal roofs aren't just plain sheets. They come in various colors and styles, like rib type or even designs that mimic the look of tiles. And for typhoon-prone areas, when anchored properly, GI sheets hold up against strong winds much better than tiles. However, metal roofs have their own issues. They get extremely hot under the sun, so you'll definitely need to invest in good insulation to keep your home comfortable. They can also be very noisy during heavy rain, sounding like a drum over time. They are prone to rust and the color can fade, especially if you live near the coast. Their lifespan is also shorter, typically around 15 to 25 years. So, what's the final verdict? If you're building a long-term family home and aesthetics are a top priority, go for roof tiles. They're perfect for areas that aren't hit by the strongest typhoons. But if you're on a tighter budget or live in a high-risk typhoon area, GI sheets are the more practical and resilient choice. Here's a pro tip for you. Want the best of both worlds? Check out stone-coated metal roofing. It has a metal core, so it's lightweight and durable against wind, but it's coated with stone granules to give you that premium tile look. It's a fantastic compromise for the Philippine climate. I hope this helps you make the right choice for your home. If you found this video useful, please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.